We will see present perfect continuous tense in affirmative form. Structure of present perfect continuous tense is first of all subject, then has or have been, then first form of verb with ing, then object, then use of since or for, and then time. Example is he has been reading newspaper for 2 hours. Girls have been taking exams since morning. So students, if our subject is singular like he, she, it or any singular name, then we will use has been, or if it is plural then we will use have been, mean with I, we, they and you. Present perfect continuous tense in negative form. First of all subject, then has or have, then not, then been, then first form of verb with ing, then object, use of since or for, and then time. For example, he has not been reading newspaper for 2 hours, or girls have not been taking exams since morning. Now we will see present perfect continuous tense in its interrogative form. First of all, has or have, then subject, then been, then first form of verb with ing, then use of since or for, and then we will add time. For example, has he been reading newspaper for 2 hours, or have girls been taking exams since morning? Now we will talk about past perfect continuous tense in its affirmative form. Structure for this tense is first of all subject, then had been, then first form of verb with ing, then object, and then use of since or for with time. Students, have you observed here there is only change of helping verb, mean from has or have we have changed it into had. It's mean whatever will be the subject we will use had been. Examples are given below. She had been writing a letter for 2 hours. They had been playing cricket since morning. Past perfect continuous tense in its negative form, we will just add not with had. So it will become subject plus had not been, then first form of verb with ing, then object, use of since or for, and then time. For example, she had not been reading book since morning. We had not been playing football for 2 hours. Past perfect continuous tense in its interrogative form. First of all had, then subject, then been, then first form of verb with ing, then object, use of since or for, and then time with question mark. For example, had she been reading book since morning, or had we been playing football for 2 hours? So next we will see future perfect continuous tense in its affirmative form. The structure for this tense is first of all subject, then will have been, then first form of verb with ing, object, then use of since and for with time. For example, boys will have been playing hockey for 2 hours, and the students will have been taking exams since morning. Future perfect continuous tense in its negative form, first of all subject, then will, then not, then have been with first form of verb with ing, then object, then we will use since or for, and at the end we will add time. For example, boys will not have been playing hockey for 2 hours. The students will not have been taking exams since morning. Now we will see future perfect continuous tense in its interrogative form. First of all, we will write will, which is our helping verb, then subject, then have been, then first form of verb with ing, then object, then use of since and for, and then time. For example, will boys have been playing hockey for 2 hours? Will the students have been taking exams since morning? Okay students, now the most important thing, the use of for and since, where we have to use for and where we have to use since. For will be used for period of time. For will be used for number or time word. For example, 5 minutes, 2 weeks, 6 days, 7 months, 10 years, 2 centuries, a half hour, a while, a long time, ever. For example, we have been talking for 30 minutes, or I have trained for 2 months. Use of since. Since will be used for discussing about starting point or a time or date. For example, 6 o'clock, 2nd June, Thursday, March 1995, 1991, I was young, or the beginning of time. For example, we have been waiting here since 2 o'clock, or he has been living in Paris since 2008. So students, to talk about period of time, we will use for, or to tell about starting point or exact date, we will use since. I hope you have revised whole the concept of perfect continuous tense, present, past or future perfect continuous tense, and revised it well. So do its practice. Take very good care of yourselves. Thank you.